Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make some really easy and delicious corn dogs. I hope you like them. Remember, you will find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a large bowl, we're going to combine 2 cups of pancake mix with 2 cups of milk. To this we will also add in 2 tablespoons of butter together with 2 large eggs. Now season this with salt to taste and also add in a teaspoon of baking powder. Stir all together until everything is well combined into a very soft batter. And once everything is well incorporated, just set it aside for a minute. Now preheat plenty of vegetable oil to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You want the oil to be enough to cover the corn dogs. It will be about 3 cups or a little more. So make sure to have plenty of oil. And I have it in a large aluminum cup, but feel free to use a deep fryer if you have one. So while the oil is heating up, now we're going to cover the hot dogs with a little bit of all-purpose flour. So just roll them on the flour, then shake the hot dog a little bit to remove the excess flour, and just keep on doing this until you have all the hot dogs covered with the flour. Now we're going to insert a wooden skewer right into one end of the hot dog, right in the center. And after that, now we're going to dip the hot dog into the pancake mix batter. Then tap the hot dog a little bit to remove the excess batter, and then carefully dip it in the hot oil. Be very careful, you don't want to burn yourself, and the oil is very hot, so make sure to dip it slowly and carefully. The oil will get very bubbly, so be careful not to burn yourself. So we're going to fry the corn dogs for about 1.5 minutes or about 2 minutes, or until they are golden brown and crisp on all sides. After about 2 minutes, once the corn dog is nice and golden brown, now we're going to remove it from the oil, and we're going to drain it on paper towels to remove the excess oil, and we're just going to keep on frying the rest of the corn dogs. If the oil is too hot, the pancake batter won't stick to the corn dog. And if the oil is too cold, the corn dogs will be very greasy, so keep that in mind. You want the oil temperature to be around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're just going to keep on frying the corn dogs until you have them all done. And this is how they look once they are done. Now to serve them, just garnish them with your favorite dressings. You can add some ketchup, mayonnaise, mustard, or even some barbecue sauce. You can add whatever your heart desires. And that's about it. These are great to enjoy with your children. I hope you can give them a try. They are really so delicious. Enjoy. To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.